So this video is going to be very productive at this point of time. In this video is going to be a series of videos where I'm going to discuss about the 6 things that you need to do in this time, especially when there's a lockdown, so to improve your productivity. See, there's a lockdown not only in India but in Australia, UK, US. Every situation is critical. India has taken a step wherein there are 21 days of lockdown, which is most likely to be increasing to months, maybe 2 months or 3 months. This is a very important time wherein everything halts. Everything halts in the sense everything that's man-made, the activity that was man-made earlier is now come to an halt where you are now responsible for just one thing, getting up early in the morning or maybe late in the evening is only up to you. But what you do at this point of time is going to determine a lot of things and a lot of your behavioral changes in this coming 2-3 months of lockdown. Right. The first thing that I want to talk about at this point of time is don't get addicted. It's very easy nowadays in order to not only have the access of the internet with the high speed that you get addicted to social media, you get addicted to binge watch Netflix and on Amazon Prime, but at the same time you realize that when you're doing it for entertainment maybe 25% of the time, but that increases to maybe 70 to 80% of your time or whatever you're doing throughout the whole day. This kills your productivity and this valuable time that you have. Maybe you were a person before this lockdown, maybe a person who is more productive, who is very energetic, who is very critical of what the things that he or she is doing in the daily life. But because of this sudden drastic change in the lifestyle that we are now facing, because of which you may not be doing the things that you used to do earlier. Maybe you're not exercising on yourself, maybe you're not working on yourself, you don't have a time schedule now. You are free to do anything at any point of time. You don't have a restriction to get up early in the morning because you don't have to go to office, maybe you don't have to go to schools or college. This sudden change from your normal life to this abnormal life can create a lot of difference when we go back to our normal life after 3 months. So this is a very important time that you not only focus on your entertainment part but also focus on other things. The reason why I'm talking about all these things is because life is going to come to the very normal thing that we used to have. Life is going to come down to a life after lockdown wherein things are going to get normal. Don't degrade yourself to an extent wherein you're not able to go and work in your daily schedule. There are times when people get so much addicted, the adrenaline rush is so high in their brain, they're not able to work out. And at the same time, when this happens in your life after 3 months, you won't be able to focus on your studies or on your work because the dopamine level is still high. Your mind is still focusing on producing more dopamine, which will distract you from the work that you're doing at that point of time. And that will kill your productivity at your workspace and may lead to negative chances or negative circumstances, which definitely you don't want. So this is the first thing I'm talking about, that don't get addicted. I mean, it's really fine if you spend 20% or 30% of your time working or doing the things that entertains you. That's fine, that's important. But at the same time, have room for the other things as well, which is going to make your this time productive. Right, this is the first video that I'm talking about on not getting addicted. There are a series of videos that are going to coming up. Stay tuned to this video. So if you really like this video, then do think of sharing it with others and comment on what are the things that you are going to do in this lockdown so that others in the community can see. The community is already expanding at a very rapid rate, so be sure that you join this community before everyone takes over. Right, thank you so much for your time. Have a great day ahead and stay tuned for the next video.